beautiful people, welcome back to another episode of, oh my gosh, nigga, you're here again. It's your girl at the Nix on the beat, and I'm just here playing with colors, and I came up with this beautiful eye look. If you'd like to see how I achieve everything on my face, then keep on watching. So the first thing that I usually do before journeying on the bombation of the eyeshadowation is to apply the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Chestnut as a base. This red shade would be coming first. I'm using a blending brush to apply that. I'm literally packing the shade. I'm not moving the shade, rather I'm pressing it on the crease area of my eye, so the pigmentation of the coloration will be vibrant on my eyelid. And I'm looking downwards for this so I can get it into the nook and cranny of my crease area. Then I go over it once again. I go over it a few times just to make sure that the color is standing out. Now that we are set, I'm using this orange shade from my Eyes on the 80s palette. I'm using that shade to blend the edges of the red that I just applied. And you want to take it easy, because this shade, the orange shade will blend into the red and reduce the redation of the red, and we don't want that. We want that vibrant red, we want that bloody red. Just focus at the edges, and as you can see, the redation of the red has reduced. So you go back into that red and then you just apply that by patting it onto the red area and the areas you want to be red. See, the red is coming back up, and then I put my finger at the end of the brush so that it gives me a lighter blend or a lighter application of the coloration. So I just apply it lightly to the edges of where I added the orange. This is the red, and I just dash it over it a bit. Perfect. I think we're looking good. Now it's time to do the one thing that a lot of people don't like to do. It's time for us to cut the crease. Cut the crease. It's just for me to find the brush that I used. Found it. First color we're using is this purple. Would be placed at the end of the cut crease, and like I said, applying color, you need to pat it on so the vibrantation of the coloration would be steady. This green color is performing its duties next. I'm applying that right in front of the purple. This shimmery deep green is going over the matte green. This lighter green will be placed in front of the greenation that I just added. I'm going to blend that light green into the deep green while using this yellow. Woo. Last but not the least, like I said, this is the application of Candid Glow by Younger Beauty in the shade Pockish. You guys see what I'm doing? So Pockish is added to the front and blended into the other colors. I'm going in with these beautiful DMC stones. I'll be applying them on the cut crease edge. I'm using a clear lash glue right now, just lining that area. Okay, so concealer, LA Girl Pro at the bottom of the lid. The first color I'm using is the red that I use as my crease color, and I'm patting that on. Shimmery yellow will be placed in the front part of the eye. For the waterline, I'm using my Younger Beauty Attitude Smooth Gel Liner in the shade 02. To finalize the eye look, I'm using that purple, the purple I placed at the end of the cut crease. I'm placing that directly at the bottom of my lower lash line. Okay, beautiful people, here is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this love with your friends, your families, your enemies, and everybody that could be in your world. Adios, amigos. Catch you later. Peace.